Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 20 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week this week at SMS, including the naming of our Amazing Shake Top 5. And we do want to shout out and congratulate those students, but also thank all of the community members that offered their help on Thursday to help with the judging of those students. This week upcoming at SMS, we do not have anything on the agenda for Tuesday. Wednesday, we will have a faculty meeting after school until 4 o'clock. Thursday, Miss Perkins will be working with students on their ILP in the library. She'll also be doing this on Friday. And our Amazing Shake students, the top 5, will have a lunch interview, which will ultimately knock that group down to the top 3. And then, as always, Friday is Bring It Friday. We do want to take a moment and congratulate this week's student spotlight, Kayla Kanar. Kayla is an 8th grade student here at SMS, and she is on the Blueberry CUDA team member. She has recently transferred from the Robertson County School District to Simons as an 8th grader, and we're thrilled to have her in our school. She is friendly, she is kind, and she demonstrates a great work ethic. She played basketball for the Lady Cougars this last fall and is currently a member of the high school team as well. She's a standout shooter for our archery team and most recently placed in the top 6 of all middle school girls at the most recent archery competition. She also plans to play volleyball this spring and is an active church member at Mount Carmel Christian Church. So we want to take a moment and just thank Kayla for her positive attitude and for always bringing it. So Kayla, I can't wait to see what awesome things you do in your future. We do want to take a moment and shout out to our students who are on the Alex Leaderboard for last week. Congratulations on Monday to Eli Klein, Tuesday Desiree Mathis, Wednesday Summer Harmon, Thursday Jonah Fulton, Friday Elena Moore. Our weekly top scorer was Jonah Fulton, and the 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Jonah Fulton with 8 and Summer Harmon with 7. Our Alex Leaderboard, we have seen a little bit of movement. If you see parents, those students with that 85% mark, they will probably be moving off of the leaderboard really soon. They will be taking another level set to ensure they are 85% through the content, and then they will move into the next grade level. So congratulations to these students for being on the leaderboard this week. Elena Hunt, Nick Lane, Brady Kramer, Rylan Smalley, Scott Gray, Trevor Blankenship, Tyson Wells, Hunter Ham, Zippy Pilot, Carson Parker, Bobby Applegate, and Kaylee Rogers. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.